Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can add a buy now button on Blogger. So Blogger is actually a blog post where you can write blogs and stuff. So what you have to do is you have to open blogger.com and you have to make your account, you have to log in, and then you have to fill in all the necessary information that they're asking. Once when you're done with that, you have to put a title to your blog post account. And after doing that, what you have to do is you have to create a blog in order to add the buy now button. So just to save the time here, I've already created a blog here. I'm going to open it. So this is the blog that I have created. Now I know that this is not an entire blog, but just to give you the idea of how this works, we're going to take it as a full blog. Now this is the blog that I have written. Now here it's about, a car company. Now here I want to write a line in which I am going to tell my readers that you can go here to buy this car that I have written a blog about. So I'm going to write a line here, this buy now for Lantata 2025 model for $3,000. Now this is my car and this is the buy now hyperlink that I'm going to create. One important thing which I would like to tell here is that you cannot sell digital or physical products directly on Blogger because it's not an e-commerce website. It's actually a blog post. So you can't do any direct transactions. However, you can create indirect hyperlinks and take your readers there to a checkout page where they can see and buy the product. So this is what we're going to do here. I'm going to make this buy now line into a hyperlink and I'm going to take my readers to that checkout page. So here is how we do it. I'm going to highlight it and then I'm going to click here. And here I'm going to paste the link of that checkout page I was talking about earlier. Now, let me tell you how you can do that, where you have to create the checkout page. You can go here to Payhip. Payhip is actually a free website where you can, sell products or services. Now, this is the listing of the car I was talking about here in my blog. I've not used a picture here, I just wanted to give you an idea of it. So this is the car I was talking about, and it's for $3,000. And I want the readers to land here so they can buy this car. So one important thing, you have to also add your payment details and stuff here on Payhip, so transactions are smooth and stuff. So yeah, coming back here, I have to put the link of this checkout page. I'm going to copy it and here I'm going to paste it and then I'm going to click apply. Now you can see that this red line is blue now. That means that it's a hyperlink, and when my readers are going to click here, they are going to be redirected to this page where they can just buy this car for $3,000. So this is how you actually add a buy now button into Blogger. I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.